after such canvass, it appears that Yeb Eric of Lakas garnered 144,093 votes for the office of the member House of Representatives, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for the said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidate as the duly elected member, House of Representatives of Benguet, Lone District, Province of Benguet. In witness whereof, we affix our signatures and imprint our landmark in this certificate of canvass and of votes and proclamation.
So, nag-double work pa kayo. Sana may double pay kayo sa COMELEC chairman, no? But again, tapos na yung kaso, so it's time to work. Tapos na po yung pamumulitika. Benguet deserves true public service. So, tuloy-tuloy po yung public service natin, hindi naman naputol. Ang message lang natin ngayon, sana tama na yung mga bangayan sa social media, tama na yung mga divisiveness, continue to work together. Kailangan mag-unite tayo, sama-sama, so that our province will achieve